Every January, Las Vegas transforms into a high-tech wonderland where the future is unveiled. CES, or the Consumer Electronics Show, is the ultimate playground for innovation. In 2025, the energy was electric. Industry leaders, daring startups, and curious tech lovers all gathered to witness what's next. We live in an era where technological leaps happen overnight. But CES is where the world gets to pause, reflect, and see which innovations are truly game-changing. With so much noise in the tech world, CES is our annual filter, the place where we separate hype from the real deal. And trust me, CES 2025 delivered. 1. Health tech is getting personal and predictive. One of the biggest trends this year was health tech. And it's not just about counting steps anymore. The focus is now on preventive care and real-time diagnostics. Take the BioScan 1, a revolutionary smartwatch that does more than track your heart rate. This device uses multi-point biosensing to monitor hydration, blood pressure, respiratory rate, and even early signs of illness. Its predictive analytics engine alerts users before symptoms appear, giving you a heads-up days before a potential issue arises. Then there's NeuroRing, a sleek neural interface headband that tracks brainwave patterns to help users combat stress, improve focus, and even enhance sleep cycles. It's being hailed as the next evolution of mental wellness technology, non-invasive, incredibly accurate, and AI-powered. Why it matters: healthcare is becoming personal, wearable, and proactive. These devices are setting the stage for a future where trips to the doctor may start with a glance at your wrist. 2. The smart home goes sentient. Smart homes have been evolving for years, but CES 2025 showed us what happens when they get a brain and a personality. Meet Haven OS, the AI home operating system that does more than control your lights. It learns your habits, moods, and preferences. Got a rough day? Haven OS notices changes in your voice or movement and adjusts the lighting, music, and even aromatherapy devices to lift your mood. It can suggest healthy recipes based on your fridge contents or order groceries before you even know you're low. We also saw the rise of hyper-connected appliances. LG's new smart mirror can overlay your schedule while you brush your teeth, give you skincare advice, and even alert you about air quality conditions before you step outside. Meanwhile, Samsung unveiled the AI Butler, a robotic home assistant that can cook, clean, and even fold laundry using advanced computer vision and soft-touch robotics. Why it matters: the smart home of the future isn't just reactive, it's intuitive. It understands you, supports your well-being, and reduces decision fatigue. 3. Augmented reality breaks into everyday life. AR was everywhere at CES 2025. But forget the bulky headsets and gimmicky games. AR is becoming practical. The standout? Vivid Lens, AR glasses that look like ordinary specs but pack extraordinary power. Lightweight and stylish, they provide seamless overlays of information in your field of vision. Live translations, navigation cues, real-time facial recognition, and smart notifications. What sets Vivid Lens apart is its contextual AI. Walk into a store and it shows you reviews and prices of the items you're looking at. Driving? It overlays real-time hazard alerts, weather updates, and even gas prices along your route. Also impressive was Mind Mapper, a mixed reality productivity tool that lets you organize thoughts, build virtual whiteboards, and collaborate in real time without a screen. It's like having an infinite desktop in the air around you. Why it matters: AR is finally stepping into daily life, not as a novelty, but as a tool to boost productivity, safety, and convenience. 4. Transportation goes fully autonomous and surprisingly fun. One of the showstoppers this year was the NeoDrive X1, a fully autonomous electric vehicle designed for urban commuting. It doesn't have a steering wheel. Instead, it's a spacious lounge on wheels with voice control and gesture-based commands. It uses AI to learn your route preferences, entertainment habits, and even mood, offering personalized experiences each time you ride. There's also platoon driving, the ability to sync with other Neo drives to reduce traffic and energy use. Another buzzworthy debut? AirHop, a personal aerial vehicle, yes, a flying car, that's designed for short-distance city travel. Think Uber, but for the sky. Why it matters: autonomous driving is no longer science fiction. It's real, it's happening now, and it's going to change how we live and move. 5. AI goes hyper-personal. Artificial intelligence was at the heart of nearly every product at CES 2025, but the difference this year was personalization. Take Aura Sync, an AI assistant that adapts not just to your commands but to your emotions. It detects tone, micro-expressions, and biometric signals to tailor its responses. Stressed? It adjusts its voice, tone, and even conversation style to match your mood. Over time, it builds a dynamic personality that feels more like a trusted friend than a digital tool. Cairo AI, a next-gen learning platform, customizes educational content in real time based on how you're absorbing information. It's being used in schools and by solo learners to adapt content to individual comprehension styles. Why it matters? AI is becoming more human, and the better it understands us, the more useful it becomes in everyday life. 6. Sustainability takes center stage, CES. 2025 wasn't just about luxury and convenience. It also had a strong focus on sustainability. One favorite was HydroPack, a portable solar-powered water purifier that fits in a backpack. Perfect for camping, emergencies, or remote regions, it uses nanotech filters and AI diagnostics to ensure the water is safe. Then there's the EcoCharge, a smart home energy hub that monitors your solar panels, battery storage, and usage to optimize when and how you use power. It even lets you trade surplus energy with neighbors on a blockchain-powered microgrid. Why it matters? The best tech isn't just cool, it's responsible. CES 2025 showed us that innovation and sustainability can go hand in hand. 7. The future is wearable and invisible. Wearables aren't just about fitness anymore. They're blending fashion, function, and invisibility. SkinSync was a highlight, an ultra-thin, flexible wearable that sticks to your skin like a temporary tattoo. It tracks health metrics, communicates with other devices, and even powers itself using your body's own thermal energy. MetaWeave, meanwhile, is a line of clothing embedded with sensors and AI modules. The clothing can monitor posture, alert wearers to fatigue or overexertion, and adapt to temperature changes. Why it matters. Wearables are disappearing into our everyday lives, becoming less noticeable, more comfortable, and more powerful. Conclusion. CES 2025 is the future made tangible. This year's CES wasn't just about futuristic gadgets. It was about practical transformation. We saw how technology is moving into every corner of our lives, our bodies, homes, roads, and minds. What's most exciting is that these aren't concepts. They're products rolling out in months, not decades. The future is knocking, and CES 2025 opened the door. So which gadget from CES 2025 blew your mind? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're just as obsessed with innovation as I am, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next video, where I dive into the top 10 AI startups that are changing everything.